Hi everyone!
In this video, we will provide a tutorial on how to assemble a plastic cupboard. While following this video, let's start with me first time.
First, install the cupboard links according to the existing holes.
Man, a man run from us and some people avenue. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when your boy go washed by the stupid dude? Don't think twice, grip that truly.
Install the cupboard door at support according to the existing holes.
Come on me and let's talk too. There's George, watch it, bougie snapping me from later too. If you don't know you, revalue you. And AMG60, vava voom. You ain't gonna see me coming through. Up in Noiselle 1A6, 2 for free, that's my jeans. Non for the drip on the saucy thing. They went to police for a madman thing. Cause pour ceux qui me connaissent bien. AJ, ça c'est le blast d'artiste. Et d'une pour les biscuits, ouais, au calme. Ma copine, ça va, viens au calme. Wesh, 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 wesh. Et dis-moi pas. Boom, bow, that's why you're hearing them pussy or one and leave. All these rappers that know in my high. I'm trying to improve, that's why I'm here. Make them dance on Bop and Lil. They moving tap like Mr. Bean. Flow catchy, that's me. All this chat, chop chop that, make that vanish. Leg over. Huh. Edgy. Man's got 100 flow. This beat's from Chicago. Are you on it, yes or no? Let's be honest, come on, bro. I know this girl, she's all good badders. She everything for that paper.
Next, select the part you want to assemble. Switch the cupboard base and the right and left sides of the cupboard. First, you have to join the right side to the base of the cabinet. After that, the left side also does the same thing. After that, unite the back side with the base side and the back side together with the right and left side. Then install the right and left door. Pay attention to whether they match or not.
Man, a man run from us and some people avenue. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when your boy go washed by the stupid dude? Don't think twice, grip that truly. M for East for stupid fool. Let him slap it, stupid you. BQ settings, let's come through. Bring them gal, everything's free. Come on me and let's talk too. There's George, watch it, bougie snapping me from later too. If you don't know you, revalue you. And AMG60, vava voom. You ain't gonna see me coming through. Up in Noiselle 1A6, 2 for free, that's my jeans. Non for the drip on the saucy thing. They went to police for a madman thing. Cause pour ceux qui me connaissent bien. AJ, ça c'est le blast d'artiste. Et d'une pour les biscuits, ouais, au calme. Ma copine, ça va, viens au calme. Wesh. Et dis-moi pas. Boom, bow, that's why you're hearing them pussy or one and leave. All these rappers that know in my high. I'm trying to improve, that's why I'm here. Make them dance on Bop and Lil.
After that, install the left and right cupboard walls according to the existing holes. And also install the rear cupboard roof the same as before.
Man's got 100 flow, this beat's from Chicago. Are you on it, yes or no? Let's be honest, come on bro. I know this girl, she's okay badders. She everything for that paper. Let's splash that on this paper. Let's splash that on this paper.
Finally, install the roof of the cupboard and adjust it to the walls of the previous cupboard.
Okay guys, that's all our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.